Hello people, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will going to discuss about how we can calculate the differential impedance using Altium Designer. So Altium Designer has its own tool to calculate the differential impedance for USB, for HDMI, etc, right? So we will cover these three topics because Altium Designer use the layer stack up to calculate the differential impedance. So we have to edit the layer stack up as per our requirement, or you can say the manufacturing capability of your manufacturer. Another thing we will discuss how to achieve the target impedance using the Altium Designer. Then we will implement those impedance characteristics and create the differential rule. But before going further, if you guys want to order your PCB assembly from nextpcb.com, just go to the link given in the description and it will direct you to this page. Here you have to log in with your Gmail ID, and after login you have to click over the PCB assembly, and here you have to fill the detail like the number of quantity, number of the SMD pad, number of the through holes pad, now quote now, and here you have to fill all other details like the dimension of your PCB. Now if you guys want to order, just click over the PCB and here you have to add the quantity. Now click over the calculate, enter the country and the postal service in your country available, add to the cart, and here you have to upload all the three documents like the bill of material and the Gerber file and the pick and place component file. After that, submit. Now the NextPCB people will contact you through your mail ID and give you the payment link. So now I'm just going to demonstrate you guys how you can implement those things on Altium Designer. So here I've just created this sample PCB, and yeah, so let's start with the layer stack up. So firstly we'll go to the design and click over layer stack up manager. So it will direct you to here. So it has few default thickness here. You can change those thickness as per your requirement and or your manufacturer's capability. So in my case, this thing will work. If in your case, if you wanna change the core thickness or the top and bottom copper thickness, you can simply change here. Now we'll click over this thing here, the impedance tab, and add the impedance profile. So here you can see we have top for top layer we have this bottom reference plane, and for bottom layer we have top reference plane, right? The next step is we have to select the differential, because in our case it is differential lines, and set the target impedance to 90 ohm, right? So as you can see, as per our requirement, it is it's automatically calculated for the impedance of 89.99, which is very closer to our target impedance, and the copper width is 0.277 and the clearance is 0.127. So now we will create the rule for differential pair. So that I already shown you guys how we can implement the rule for differential pair. So you have to firstly select the differential pair editor from here, click over the tab. Now rule wizard, next, just create a differential 90 ohm. Next, here we have to fill the information which is oh, I forgot the exact number, so I'm just going to fill the approx number. I guess this is the correct number. If I'm wrong, you have to fill the correct number in your case, and it is 0.127 mm. Just select it, Control C, Control V, 0.127, 0.127, right? Now next, finish, right? Now the next step is right click here, interactive differential pair, and you can say we can able to route the differential lines. Okay, so firstly we have to just set the rule, design, rules, go to the clearance and just set for the minimum clearance, which is 5 mm, apply. Yeah, now we can able to connect those to our pins, right? Here we go. So we can simply use this differential pair tool in Altium Designer to calculate the characteristic impedance for differential pair, and it has lot of other tools. If you go back to the layer stack up, so here you can see it has like single coplanar, differential coplanars, so you can calculate those characteristic impedance also. Thank you.